Hi there, my name is Iskander and I'm speaking from Kazakhstan. Unfortunately, we are under the lockdown and I'm not able to show you the beauty of our city or the country in general sense. But speaking about the Kazakhstan, which has gained its independence in 1991 after the collapse of Soviet Union, we are the ninth largest country in the world, and we have quite small population relatively. We have 18 million people, with a significant part of young generation living here. We are diverse and multi-ethnic, multi-religious society. We have Muslim, Christians, we have Russians, Ukrainians, Germans, Koreans here, and we are the melting pot of Central Asia. If you are trying to visit Kazakhstan, we have recently organized Expo site 2017. We are quite a big country and we have beautiful places. We have dunes, we have forests, we have lakes, we have mountains. So please, if you would like to visit Kazakhstan, there are many opportunities to see the different sites. You can visit Almaty, which is still the biggest city of Kazakhstan, and with beautiful mountains and lakes. We have Nur Sultan, formerly known as Astana, which is quite famous for its buildings and new city built from the scratch by the Japanese and British architects. We have many kind of famous people, and they are quite unique. Gennady Golovkin, or AKA Triple G, who is a middleweight world champion, or Dimash Kudaibergenov, who is a very famous singer and well known in China and Asia. Since we are living in Kazakhstan, we are surrounded by big countries, namely Russia, China. We have our Central Asian neighbors. We have Afghanistan, which is near India, Pakistan, Iran. So if you go around, you will see Russians, Koreans, people from different backgrounds. So it helped me in my profession as now to be exposed to different cultures and to different mindsets. And it helps me a lot when I go abroad, because I got used to the diversity within the society. So it helps me quite often. I work in the sphere of foreign policy and diplomacy. Currently, I'm executive director of Kazakhstan Council on International Relations, which is non-government body, and we work with the non-government sector, academia, and government institutions, specifically on international relations, foreign policy, economy, international security. We have good connections with our partners from Russia, from China, from US, from European Union, and if you look at our foreign policy, we are promoting this so-called multi-vector foreign policy, where we have a strategic partnership with main stakeholders, with Beijing, with Washington, with Moscow, with New Delhi, Islamabad, or others. So we are living in very interesting geography in this respect. Our annual analytical overview is quite kind of trademark publication, which we publish in the beginning of each year. And in the beginning of this year, in February, we also published our analytical overview called as 10 Most Important Events for Central Asia 2020. We have been doing this analytical overview for the last 5 years, projecting our view on the economy, social issues, political side as well. So it's available online, and you can watch my latest take on that regard publication in YouTube. I presented this overview in Washington, D.C. at Carnegie Endowment Center. You can just see our trend and our view on that, how Central Asia is being developed, and what are the main key factors that are going to shape our politics for a specific year. So basically, this is what I'm doing, and Kazakhstan is a place to visit. And please, we have open doors, and after the coronavirus ends, please welcome and visit our state.